ఓం నమో భగవతే విరాజేశ్వరాయ. శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. On the eve of Guru Purnima, Sri Sarvari Nama Samvatsara, we arrive at a very important stage of reading Srimad Adhyatma Ramayanam. In this series, we have seen till the end of 9th Sarga, when we have stopped last week. The intent today is to continue reading Sargas 10, 11 and 12 from this Adhyatma Ramayana with the grace of Guru and the Supreme Reality, Sri Ramachandra Parabrahma. These are very important and most complicated to understand in the nature of war and what happens. There are few critical points in these three sargas, including Ravana Vadha and Sita's Agni Pravesa. By the grace of Guru again, we will get into reading this three sargas. Dasima Sargam deals with Ravana Yajna Vidvamsamu. So Sri Mahadeva Uvacha Sa Vicharya Sabha Madhye Rakshasai Sahamantribhihi Niryayau Ye Vasishthasthai Rakshasai Saha Raghavam. So remaining Rakshasas he went to Sabha, he closed the Sabha, then took the rest of the Rakshasas, whoever are there, with those power. Shalabhaha shalabhair yuktaha prajvalantamivaanalam tato ramena nihata sarvete rakshasa yudhihi. So like a group of locust going on to the fire, all the Rakshasas went to fight with Rama, and Rama killed all the Rakshasas. Swayam ramena nihatas tekshna banena vakshasi vyadhitas tvaritam lankam pravivesa dasananaha. Swayam, on his own, tekshna banena, very sharp arrow, sharp arrow has hit Ravana himself, went back to Lanka, closed all the Lanka's doors. Društva Ramasya bahusaha paurusham chapyanam amanusham Ravano maruteshchaiva sighram sukrantikam yayau. So at this stage, until then, Ravana never thought of consulting his guru Sukracharya. So now Ravana goes to looking at Amanusham, means beyond human ability, the power beyond human ability in Rama and the power of Hanuman in the war. Srighram Sukrantikam Yayau. He went to Sukracharya. Namaskritya Dasagrivaha Sukram Pranjali Rabravit. He bowed down to Shukra with Pranjali. Bhagavan Raghave Naivam Lanka Rakshasa Yodhapai. Bhagavan, O Bhagavan, by Raghava, Lanka has been destroyed. Vinasita Mahadaitya Nihata Putrabandhava. Mahadaityas, great Rakshasas, Daityas, have been killed. Nihata Putrabandhava, my sons and relatives have been killed. Kathame Dukkha Sandoham Tvayi Tishtati Sadguru. O Sadguru, great Guru, how I will come out of this Dukkha Sandoham? Tell me something, or instruct me into something which will bring me out of this war victorious. Iti vignapito Daityaguru praha dasananam. So the Guru Tattva here, Daityaguru, he has not given any counsel to Ravana. That is to be, whatever Ravana is seeking, he is seeking victory. He went to Guru, he fell at the feet of Guru. He said, this is what I want. Iti vignapito Daityaguru praha dasananam homam kuru prayatnena rahasitvam dasanana. I will instruct you a homam. You do that. Yadi vigno na chayodhome tarhi homanalo sthitaha mahan radhascha vahascha chapatuniya sayaka sambhavishyanti tairyuktas tvamajayo bhavishyasi. If you can complete that homa as I instruct, from there, from that homa, you will get a radha, you will get chapas, tuni, ragas, all the required equipment for your war. You will be able to produce it from there. Sambhavishyati tairyuktas tvam ajayo bhavishyati. You will become invincible again. You cannot be won over by anybody. Grohana mantran madhattan gacha homam kurudhrutam. Those mantras which I am going to give, you take them, gacha, go, do the homam. Ityuktas tvaritam gatva ravano rakshasadhipaha. So having got all those things, tvaritam, quickly he went. Guham patala sadrusim, he entered into a guha, deep underground. Patala sadrusham, so it is like going down to patala loka, deep inside. Patala sadrusham guham. Mandire sve chakaraha lanka dwarapa kavatadi badhva sarvatra yatnataha. He closed all the lanka dwaras, all sides he sealed them, not to let anybody come in. Homadravyani sampadya, getting the right dravyas as instructed by his guru. Yan yuktanyabhicharike guham pravisya chaikante maunim homam prachakrame. Then we became mauni, became silent, started doing the homa. Utthitam dhumam rising the dhuma. Dhuma started the smoke rising from that homa. Alokya mahantam ravananujaha. Vibhishana has seen that. Ramaya darsayamasa homadhupam bhyakulaha. With great fear, he has shown that dhupam to Rama. Rama, see, pasya Rama dasagrivo homam kartrum samarabhat yadi homas samaptah tasyat tadajayo bhavishyati. So he seems to be doing a homa. If he completes that, he will become invincible. We cannot win over him. Tato vignaya homasya preshayasu harishwaran tadhehi ramaha sugriva sanmatena angadam kapim. So you command your harishwaran, our vanaras, to go and stop this thing. So Angada, Hanumat Pramukhan, Viran, Nanadi Desha, Mahabalan, Prakaram, Langayatvatve, Gatva Ravana Mandiram. So all these vanaras in huge numbers. Dasakotcha Plavanganam Gatva Mandira Rakshasan, Chornayamasur Rosamsa, Gajamscha Nyahatan Kshanat. So killing all the gajas means elephants kept for protection. They jumped over, they entered. Tatascha Saramanama Prabhate Hastasanyaya. There is Sarama who is Vibhishana's wife. Hastasanya. Vibhishanasya bharyasa homasthanam asuchayat. With hand sign, she has directed them where this homa is happening. Homasthanam asuchayat. She has directed them with hand sign, showing the direction with the hand. Asuchayat. She didn't speak, she didn't tell anything, she just has shown a hand sign where it is. Guhapidha pashana angadaha padhagattanai chornaitva mahasatva privivesa mahaguham. So Angada, with great sound, noise coming from his padaghattanas, means on his feet, beating the earth with the feet, he entered the guha, deep into the guha. दृष्ट्वा दशाननं तत्र मीलिताक्षं धृढासनं ततो अंगदाज्ञया सर्वे वानरा विविश्रुधृतं तत्र कोलाहलं चक्रुस्ताडयन्त्रसेवकान् संभाराश्चिक्षुयस्तस्त होमकुण्डे समन्ततः श्रोमाच्छिद्य हस्ताच्छ रावणस्य बलाद्दृशा तेनैव संजघानासु हनुमान् प्लवगाग्रणी. So Hanuman, Angada, all these people, they went, they pulled everything away at the homa, thrown things, destroyed everything. Gnanti dantaischa kashtaischa vanarastamitastatah sa johu ravano dhyanam hatopi vijigishaya. They started hitting him with kashta, with big lathi, big wood pieces and all that. But Ravana has Najahau Ravano Dhyanam Hatopi Vijigishaya. Even killed, he will not come out of Dhyana. He is so engrossed in the Dhyana. So they have to somehow stop him or stop him doing the Dhyana, bring him back. Otherwise, he will continue doing and Pravisya Antapure Vesman Yangado Vegavattaraha. Angada entered the Antapura. Samanayet Kesabandhe Dhrutva Mandodariim Subham. Pulled Mandodari, holding her hair. Ravanasyeva Purato Vilapanti Anadhavat. She started weeping. Vilapanti Anadhavat Ravanasta Purataha. Vidadar Angadastyakhya Kanchukum Ratna Bhushitam. Tearing off her dress. Mukta, Vimukta, Patita, Sumanta, Dratna Sanchayai, Sronisotram, Nipatitam, Truditam, Ratna Chitritam. All her abharanas, all her ornaments started falling because Katiprasedad Visvastra, Nivi Tasyaiva Pasyataha, Bhushanani cha Sarvani, Patitani Samantataha. Devagandharva Kanyascha, Nita, Hrushtai, Plavangamai, Mandodari, Rodhatha, Ravanasyagrato, Bhrusam. All his other Devagandharva Kanyabhihi, all his other women also pulled down there. They are also being troubled by the Vanaras. Vanaras started troubling all the women of Ravana. Mandodari started Kroshanti Karunam Dina Jagada Dasakandharam. So then Kroshanti Dasakandharam, Kroshanti, she started literally weeping and telling things to Ravana. Mandodari started telling, Nirlajjosi parairaivam kesapase vikrushyate. Shamelessly, your wife is being troubled in front of you and you are sitting here. Bharya tavaiva purataha kim juhoshi nalajjase. Again, with shameless nature, in front of you, your bharya is being troubled, your wife is being troubled, and you are still doing juhoshi, you are doing your homa to win somebody. Hanyate pasyato yasya bharya papaischa sitrubhihi. So, whose wife is being troubled in his front by his enemies, if they are doing like this, martavyam tena tatraiva, jivitan maranam param. It is better to die than live when this kind of thing is happening if you don't react. Ha Meghanada te mata klisyate batavanarai. She remembers her son. If my son was there, will he allow this to happen to me? Ha Meghanada. My son Meghanada is there. If he is there. Tvai jivati me dukkham idrusam cha kadam bhavet bharya lajja satyaktva bhatra me jivitasaya. So my husband has given up all his shame also. So it seems like everything he has left his shame as well. Shrutva taddevitam raja mandodarya dasananaha uttasthau khadgamadaya chedyadevi miti bravan. So Ravana stopped his yajna or stopped his dhyana, his homa. got up, took out his khadga, his knife. Tyaja Devyam, leave my wife. One statement he said. Jaghana Angadam Avyagra Katidese Dasanana. He hit one hit on Angada's Katidesa Dasanana. Tadotsajya Yuyuh Sarve Vidhamsa Havanam Mahat. So the Vanara's work is completed. They have achieved what they wanted to achieve. Ramaparshamuga, they ran away. Ramaparshamuga tastu sarve praharshita, with happily they ran away. So they have achieved what? Ravanastu tato bharyam uvacha. So Ravana now is talking to Bharya. This is a very interesting samvada in Adhyatma Ramayana again. Ravana's teaching to his wife. And finally he gives one this thing. Ravanastu tato bharyam uvacha parisantvayan దైవాధీనమిదం భద్రే జీవత కిమ్న దృశ్యతే త్యజశోకం విశాలాక్షి జ్ఞానమాలంబ్య నిశ్చితం. సో గెట్ ఆన్ టు ద జ్ఞాన, టేక్ జ్ఞాన. ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ టెంపరీ. జ్ఞానమాలంబ్య నిశ్చితం, డెఫినెటివ్ జ్ఞాన యూ టేకప్. అజ్ఞాన ప్రభవ శోక, శోకో జ్ఞాన వినాశకృత్. బేస్డ్ ఆన్ అజ్ఞాన, ignorance, శోక విల్ కమ్. This pain, shokas, all the shoka is coming. Soko jnana vinaksakrut. When once you are pained by something, shoka, you go into the mood of shoka, it will kill the jnana. Jnana vinasakrut. There is a catch-22 situation. Ajnana prabhava hanti sarirad vishwanatmasu, sariradi vishwa anatmasu, ajnana prabhava ahanti. Because of that ajnana, in this body we get a aham, an ego will rise. This I am feeling. Sariradishwanatmasu, anatma, which is not atma, all this body, in this aham will come. Tan molaha putra daradi sambandhaha. That is the cause of all these relationships as son and wife and all those things. Samsrutis tataha, there only samsruti will come. Harsha, soka, bhaya, krodha, lobha, moha, spruhadayaha. All this harsha, soka, duality of pain and happiness and sadness. Bhaya, krodha, fear and anger. Lobha, moha, possessiveness and delusion. Spruhadayaha, attachment. All these things are coming from, seated in that ignorance of ahandi, thinking that body I am is the cause of everything. Ajnana prabhava hyete janma mrityu jaratayaha. Due to that ajnana, janma mrityu jara, all these things are coming. Adayaha, all these transformations are coming. Atma tu kevalam suddho. Atma is always pure. Vyatirikto hyalepakaha, it is never touched by any of these blemishes. Anandarupo jnanatma sarvabhava vivarjitaha. Na samyogo viyogavo vidyate kena chit sataha. In chit sat, in true consciousness, chit sataha, or conscious truth. Na samyogo viyogo, there is no attachment, neither detachment. There is no samyoga, there is no intermixture, bringing together, or there is no taking away. Na vidyate, it is not known to have any attachment or detachment. Evam jnatva swamatmanam tyaja sokam anindite. Know that you are that Atma, give up this sokam, give up this sadness, give up this shokam, anindite. Idanimeva gacchami hatva ramam salakshmanam. So I will go immediately now only. Idanimeva gacchami. Now I will start and go. I will kill Ramam salakshmanam. I will kill Rama and Lakshmana. Agamishyami nochanman Dharayishyati sayakai Sri Ramo Vajrakalpayascha tato gacchami tatpadam. So I will come back. If not, I will be killed by Rama and I will go to his padam, tat padam, that padam only. I will go there to him only. Tada tvaya me kartavya. In case if I die like that, tvaya me kartavya, I am assigning you one duty. Kriya machasanat priye. I am giving you one sasana, my wish. Sasana or my direction, priye, oh loved wife. Sitam hatva maya sartham tvam pravekshyati pavakam. Kill Sita, and along with you enter the fire with me. Mai pravekshyasi pavakam. So this is what Gajanana, Dasanana's final words to Mandodari. She said, he has all the jnana. So he gives all the jnana, saying that where aham will come, what is the problem, why you have to, but he is not able to leave it. That is, he has the knowledge. He can teach to Mandodari also, but he cannot use it for his sake. That is his problem. एवं श्रुत्वा वचस्तस्य रावणस्याति दुःखिता उवाच नाथ मे वाक्यं शृणु सत्यं तथा कुरु. So my husband, Natha, oh my husband, listen to my words. Now I wanted to tell you something. Shrunu Satyam, what I am telling is truth. Tatha kuru. After that, you do as per this vakyam. Sekyona Raghavo jetum tvaya chanyaihi kadachana. It is not possible to win over Raghava. Tvaya, by you. Anyai, by anybody else. Kadachana, ever. Okay. Ramo Devavaraha Sakshat Pradhana Purusheswaraha. Rama is Pradhana Purusheswaraha, is Lord of Pradhana, Prakriti and Purusha. All these people, all the individual, Pradhana Purusheswaraha. Matsyo Bhutva Purakalpe Manum Vaivaswatam Prabhu. In past Kalpa he became Matsya, became a fish. Raraksha Sakalapadbhyo Raghavo Bhaktavatsalaha. So he saved the Manu from all the dangers of drowning. He has Bhaktavatsalaha, Raghavo, it has been done by Raghava only. Ramaha Kurmo Bhavatpurvam Lakshayojana Vistrutaha Samudramadhane Prushte Dadhara Kanakachalam. When gods and demons, the Devas and Rakshasas are churning the Milky Ocean, became Lakshayojana Vistirnam Kurmo Bhutva, became a tortoise and held on to the Kanakachalam. He held that action to happen. He is the person. Hiranyaksho Ati Durvrutro Hatoneva Mahatmana. Hiranyaksha, one known as Ati Durvrutra, very bad person, known as very bad person. Hatoneina, he has been killed, him only. Kroda Rupena Vapusha, Kshoni Mudharata Kvachit, in the form of a wild boar. And Kshoni Mudharata, this earth has been recovered from him in that form, by him only. Triloka Kantakam Daityam Hiranyakasipum Pura Hatavan Narasimhena Vapusha Raghunandanaha. This Raghunandana only came as Narasimha and killed Hiranyakasipum. Hiranyakasipa also has been killed by him only, Raghava. Vikramais Tribhirevaso Balimbadhva Jagatrayam. With Trivikrama Swarupa. Vikramai Trivikrama. Vamana, who has become Trivikrama, he measured the 3 feet, all the 3 internal, external, gross, subtle layers of existence with his 3 feet. Akramya Surendraya Bhrutyaya Raghusattamaha. So for the sake of Indra, he recovered all the land from Bali. He only, as Vamana Trivikrama. Rakshasa Kshatriyakara Jata Bhumir Bharavaha Tan Hatva Bahuso Ramo Bhuvanjitva Hyadan Mune. So became Bhargavarama. Ramo Bhutva, again in previous Rama also he came. When Rakshasas are born as Kshatriyas and started doing bad administration of the world, several times he came and killed all of them and gave this whole earth to Kashyapa. Sa eva sampratam jato Raghuvamse paratparaha. That he alone, now sampratam jate, he born in the Raghuvamsa, paratparaha, who is paratparaha, bhavadardhe Raghusresho manushatva mupagataha. For killing you, bhavadardhe, for your sake, he came this all the way. Tasya bharya kimardham va hruta sita vanad balat. Mama putra vinasartham swasyapi nidhanaya cha. So you got his bharya from Vane from the forest here for killing of my sons, mama putra nidhanaya, swasyapi nidhanaya cha, for your own death you have got her. Itah param va vaidehim preshayasva raghuttame. Now at least, itah param va, now afterwards at least, give Vaidehi to Raghuttame, Vibhishanaya Rajyantu Datva Gacchamahe Vanam. So what we will do, you give the Rajyam to Vibhishana, give Janaki to Raghuttama, we will go to Vanam and do the sadhana, whatever. We will go to Vanam. We will take the retirement by doing this. That's what she proposed. Mandodari vachasrutva Ravano vakyam abravit. Listening to this, Ravana started saying, Kadham badre rane putran bhratrun rakshasa-mandalam hatayitva raghavena jivami vanagocharaha. Now stopping this war, making friends with Raghava, what am I going into vanagocharaha, becoming like a forest dweller? I don't like it. So I don't want. Ramena saha yotsyami. I will fight with Rama. Ramena saha yotsyami Rama banai susigraghai. Yes, very powerful banas. With them I will fight. Vidaryamano yasyami tadvishno paramam padam. If I will be killed. Vidaryamano yasyami tadvishnoha paramam padam. In that Vishnu's final abode I will reach. I will go there. Janami Raghamam Vishnum Lakshmim Janami Janakim. I know Raghava as Vishnu, I know Janaki as Lakshmi. Jnatvaiva Janaki Sita Mayanita Vanat Balat. By knowing only I got her here. Ramena Nidhanam Praptya Yasyami Paramam Padam. Having killed by Rama, I will go to the Parampada. Vimuchatvam tu samsargad gamishyami sahapriye. Now he is changing the word. I will leave you here, you be here. I will go with all my other strees. They will enter my fire. I will leave you here and go. Paramandamaya suddha sevyeteya mumukshubhihi tangatintu gamishyami hato ramena samyuge. So which is very difficult to get by even the great mumukshus who are trying for it with great sadhanas, going into the forests and doing all those things. I will get there. Prakshalya kalmashaniha muktim yasyami durlabham. Having been killed by Rama's arrows, I will get mukti. Klesadi panchaka taranga yutam brahmadjam dharatmajaptadhana bandhu jhushabhiyuktam aurvanalabha nijarosha manangajalam samsara sagara matitya harim vrajami. I will cross over this samsara sagara and reach Hari by this. So this is the last words discussion between Mandodari and Ravana. So Ravana is fully informed of his fate, but he cannot change. He has all the jnana, what need to be there, but he cannot put that jnana into the practice in an amicable way. So Ekadasya Sargamu, we are getting into the, completing 10th Sarga, we are entering in the 11th Sarga now. Rama Ravana Sangramam, this is the final war. Interesting aspects of the war will come in here also. Then Ravana Nidhanam. So in between there are few points we want to touch upon quickly. Sri Mahadeva Uvacha. So Mahadeva continuing his narration to Parvati. So this whole Adhyatma Ramayana is being narrated by great Guru Mahadeva to Parvati. Sri Mahadeva Uvacha. Ityuktva vachanam premna rajñim mandodarim tada Ravana prayayau yodhum ramena sahasamyuge. So having told this to Priya, his wife, Mandodari, and then Ravana prayayau, he started to yodhum drodham syandanamastaya vrutto ghorair nisacharaihi. So there is a very description. He has put donkeys, very fierce looking donkeys to his Radham. Then Nischamyakradha Sahasa Ravano Bhishanakruti Ayantam Ravanam Društva Bhishanam Ranakarkasam. So he has loaded all the missiles, everything into his Radha, all the shastras, everything. Final readiness, with full readiness, he started to go for fight. Vanari Ramapalata Agatya Hanuman Raksho Kshasyatula Vikramaha. So first he has come across Hanuman. Hanuman hit Ravana with his fist, one hit. Murchitodha Muhurtyena Ravana Punaruthitaha. It made Ravana unconscious for a muhurta, for a period of time. Then he Punaruthitaha. Uvachacha Hanumantam Surosi Mama Sammataha. He said, then Hanumanta said, oh, you have got back into consciousness even after me hitting you. So you are a Shura. You are a then I will give you a chance. So you can also hit me once. Hanumanad Dijam Yascham Jivasi Ravana Tvam Anushtino Vaksho Mamatadaya Ravana. So you also will get one chance to hit me. Try and hit me if you can kill me. Let us see. Vihurnamadaya Kinchit Kasmalamaya Yo. So with one hit of Ravana, Hanuman felt Chakar. So Hanuman also felt unconscious for a while. Then that is the power of Ravana. So the Ravana is not somebody who can be easily won. That is important to know. This is kind of a introduction being given. What is Ravana? Why it is difficult to win Ravana? Why Rama has to come all the way to Bhitva Ravana Rakshasa. Seeing this, Hanuman Angadascheva Nalo Neelascheva. So then Ravana turned different side, went away, and this Hanuman Angada Nalo Neela Chatvar Samavetyagre Drashtva Rakshasa Pungavan. So there are four very powerful Rakshasas. They are called Sarparvama, Khadgarvamaka, and Vrishchikarvama. There are four Romakas basically: Agnivarna, Sarparvama, Khadgarvamaka, and Vrishchika. Very powerful Rakshasas. They have got into the duel between these four Angada, Nala, Neela. Hanuman, Angada, Nala, Neela. These four started fighting with Sarparvama, Khadgarvamaka, and Agnivarna. These four duels started. Tadha Vrishchikamaronam Kramasonusuran. So he went Kruddha Dasagrihava Samsatya Sadasachadam Nivrutta Nayane Kruro Ramena Van Vadhatataha Sadasagrivo Radhastatu Ramam Vajropamaisaraihi. Then he went to in front of Rama and he started hitting with Vajropamaisaraihi. He is using arrows again to Rama. Rama is standing on the floor. He don't have a Radha, and Ravana is on the Radha. So the war is going. Looking at this, Indra now realizes, oh, I have to do something here. Indra sends his Matali. Matalim Shakro Vachanam Chedam Abravit. So Shakra, Indra is asking his Matali, take my Radha and load it with all the ammunition required, go to Rama, give it, and you only drive Rama again. Rama will fight in your Radha. So the Radha comes from, divine Radha will come from Shakra, Indra's Radha. Then taking that Radha, Yuddha starts. So equal. So here also Radha, there also Radha is there. Then with equal powers, the fight starts. So the fight goes on. Aruroha Radham Ramo Lokan Lakshmyan Yojayan Tato Bhavan Mahayuddham Bhairavam Romaharshanam. So all these different beings, Gandharvas, Yakshas, Chanuras, who are on the other layers of existence, not on the earth, they all came in their own Vimanas and started looking at the war, or to see how this war goes. अस्त्रं राक्षसराजस्य जगान परमास्त्रवित् ततस्तु सो महात्मनो राघवस्य रावणस्य सतीम आज्ञेये च आज्ञेयं दैवं दैवेन राघवः अस्त्रं राक्षसराजस्य जगान परमास्त्रवित्. So Ravana used a Agneya Astra, and Agneya has been hit by Agneya Astra from Rama. So Rama is correctly fighting or defending and offending as needed in the strategy of the war. The war is going on. Then he puts a lot of snake banas. So there are a lot of snakes he produces with a type of astra and puts them onto the Vanaras. All the Vanaras will be running away. And again, Rama puts a Garuda astra. So he creates an astra with so many Garudas, so many hawks will come and take away the snakes. All this fighting is happening. There is a Maya Yuddha from Ravana. There is a Daiva Yuddha from Rama. This fight is going on. At one point in time, Rama started putting hundreds of arrows. Each arrow is going ahead and cutting the head of Ravana. He has cut 100 heads of Ravana. He has only 10, right? So 100 heads of Ravana have been cut. Still Ravana is standing with the same valor and power. Nothing is happening to Ravana. So looking at this situation, Vyadhita Vanarendrasya Babhuvu Sabi Vibhishana Dasasyo Vimsati Bhujaha Pragruhita Sarasanaha. So Vibhishana comes to Rama and says, "Oh Rama, you how many ever hands and heads you cut off for this Dasanana, you cannot kill him because he has a special boon where he in the center of his kukshi, in the stomach, he has an Amruta Bhanda. So whatever limb you cut off from him, that limb will keep coming back. So if you have to win him, first you have to find a way to remove that Amruta Bhanda from his stomach." So Kopanchakara Sadrusam Maha Nirdhanyava Rakshasam Dhanuradaya Devendra Dhanurakaram Adbhutam. So Gruhitva Panina Balam Kalanala Bala Samaprabham Nirdhanyava Chakshubhyam Drusyate Ripumantike. Rama becomes very angry, that anger. Krodha, Raudratmakam. With that, he takes one Brahmastra. Krudram Ramasya Vadanam Društva Sitrum Pradhanataha Tatrasu Sarvabhutani Chachalacha Vasundara. Looking at Rama in that emotion, whole world shaked up. Chachalacha Vasundhara, even earth shaked up. Earth can't bear that anger what Rama got at that moment, at that time. Murdhano Ravanasyadha Bhavo Rudhirokshita Gaganat Pratpramsisats Taladani Phalanihi. So Nadinancha Navai Ratri Nasanja Nadishopiva Prakasante Tatadrupam Drusyate Tatra Sangare. In that form, nothing else has been seen. This is very important one. Nothing else has been. People have not seen what is day, what is night. Nadivo na ratro, Kala Rupa. He has become verily the time. Kala Rupa. That Raudra Swarupa has become Kala. Kala is time, the dynamic nature of this world. What moves, what continuously changes. Kala Rupa Bhutva. Then people were not able to, or nobody, Nadinanna Chaiva Ratrin, Sandhyana Dishopiva. People are not able to recognize what is Sandhya, what is twilight, when you have to do the Sandhya, where is night, where is day. Nothing has been seen. With that, war is going on. Hundreds of heads again taken away. Nachaiva Ravanasyanto Drusyate Jivitakshayat Tatah Sarvastra Vidhira Kausalyanandavadhranaha Astraischa Bahuviruktas Chintayamasa Raghavaha Yer Banar Hata Daitya Mahasatva Parakramaha Yete Nishphalanyata Ravanasya Nipatane. All the astras have been used on Ravana. Ravana has not fallen. Nishphalam yata. They have not achieved their phalitam. What they have to achieve? Uvacha raghavam vakyam brahmadatta varohyasau vichinna bhavopyasya vichinnaani siramsi cha. Brahmavara prasadi is there. What we can do with that Brahmavara? Nothing can be done. So Agnyayastra. Then he took another Agnyayastra and made that nectarine pot evaporate completely with that Agnyayastra. Then all 9 heads have been cut away. With 1 head and 2 hands he stood, who Ravana stood in the war. Again, equality has come. Dasakrevas chiras. Then Yuddha is continuing. Ekena mukhyasirasa bahubhyam Ravano babhau Ravanastu punakrudho nana shastrabdhivushibhi. Again he has taken nana shastras. He is getting his shastras, his own missiles, his own ammunition. He is still trying to vinasakala prathito yasturai sodhya vartate uttamangam nachaitasya chettavyam raghavattvaya naiva shirni prabho vadhyo vadhyayevahi marmanihi tatah samsmarito ramastetha vakyena matalehe. Then Matali told, the charioteer Matali, Indra's charioteer Matali, who is doing the charioteering, who has been wounded by Ravana, said this trying to remove his heads will not work. You have to hit his heart, the marmasthana. So where his core of life is there, that need to be taken away. Jagraha sarandiptam vishwasantam ivoragat yashva parsetu pavanaha phale bhaskara pavakau. Siriyamakaya yosanam gaurave meru mandaro sarvasya picha visnyastva lokapala mahujasaha. Jvajval vamanam vapusha bhatam bhaskara varchasa tamugramagram lokanam bhayanasana madbhutam abhimantre tato ramastenam maheshum mahabhujayaha. So he brings up a arrow out, he does a mantra now, Mahabhuja. Veda proktena vidhina sandhadhe karmuke bali. As per the Dhanur Veda, Mahesham, so Maheshwara, Ishwarastra. Finally he takes up the Ishwarastra. As per the Veda, as instructed to him by Gurus Vasishta and Vishwamitra, he takes that Veda proktena vidhina sandhadhe karmuke bali. He puts it into his karmuka. Tasmin sandhiyamanetu ravanena sirottame sarva bhutani vitre suschachalacha vasundhara. Again, Chachalacha Vasundhara. Vasundhara started shaking, looking at this war. This has gone to the ultimate destruction. So it appears as if the whole thing going to be destroyed. That is the type of war it is going. With that, sa vajra iva durdharsho vajrapani visarjitaha krutanta iva ghorasyo nyapatad ravano rasi. So Ravana's urasi, in the heart of Ravana, this shastra which has been put with Maheshwarastra, it went and hit his heart. Sanibmagno mahagoraha sarirantakapara bibheda hrodayam tornam Ravanasya mahatmanaha. So which has broken or removed the core existence of Ravana. Ravanasya harat prana visvate dharanitale sasiro Ravanam hatva ramaturina mavisat. So having hit the heart, going into the earth, coming back out of the earth, comes back to Rama's tunira. This arrow, Rama Bana. This is what is called Rama Bana. Tam drushtat patitam bhumo hataseshascha rakshasa hatanadha bhayastatra dudru sarvadositam. So whoever are other rakshasas who are still engaged in war, seeing the falling of Ravana, everybody ran away. So this is the end of war. Dasagrivasya nidhayam vijayanam raghavasya sa tato nivedu samhrushta vanara jitakasinaha vadanto rama vijayam ravanasya chatatvatham athankshariche Nyavasad Doumyas Tridasas Dumbhuvidhi. So all the gods started beating their dundubis. Oh, Jayam, Jayam, yeah, victory to Rama. Papata Pushpavrushtischa, Samanta Draghavopari, Tushtu Vopur Maya Siddha, Charanascha Devaukasa. Siddhas, Charanas, and Devaukasas are these different types of Antariksha, beings who are in the other layers of existence. They started dancing, singing praises of Raghava. Previvesa Maha Raghusreshtam Devanam Pasyatam Satam Deva Uchuroho Bhagyam Ravanasya Mahatmanaha. So now it is the very interesting point. Now what will happen? Adhantariksha Ravanasya cha Dehottam Jyotiradityavat Purat. From Ravana's Deha, a Jyoti, a light came. Adityavat Spurat, it looks like sun. That bright as Jyoti came out. Adityavaspurat Dehottam Jyotirajat Previvesa Raghusreshtam. It entered into Rama. Raghusreshtam Devanam Pasyatam Satam. So Devas have become wondered. What is this? Vayantu Satvika Deva Vishnoho Karunya Bhajanaha Bhayadukkadhirirvyapta Samsare Parivartanaha. All these Devas who are great bhaktas of Raghava, means Rama or Narayana, great Supreme Lord, they are still having fear and dukkha. They are also having sadness, they are also having fear, they are going around in this loop of samsara. Even in Devaloka, samsara is there. Even in so samsara, they are going around. Ayantu Rakshasaha, Kruro. Who is a Rakshasa? Who is a Krura? Who is very devilish nature? Brahmahativa, he killed Brahmanas. Brahmahatya, he has done. Tamasaha, who is always Tamasaguna. Paradara Rato, he eyed on the others' wives. Paradara Rato, he wanted the others' wives. Vishnu Dveshi, who is always a Dveshi of Vishnu. Tapasa Himsakaha, whoever is doing tapasi, he will go and without any reason he will do the Himsa. Means he will harm them. Such kind of a person, Tapasa Himsakaha, Pasyatsu Sarvabhuteshu Ramameva Pravishtavan. Pasyastu sarvabhuteshu, not hidden, means he has just like while hiding, he has not gone into the room. Pasyastu sarvabhuteshu, as all people are seeing, his Jyoti went out and get into the Rama. Pasyastu sarvapravishtavan, evam bruvatsu deveshu naradaha praha susmitaha. So they have wondered, they have become speechless. What is this? We don't understand what is happening here. Then Narada is coming for rescue. Narada is telling them, Srunutatra Suraya Yuyam Dharmatattva Vichakshana. Oh Suras, so gods, all gods, listen to Dharmatattva Vichakshana. Let me do the Dharmatattva Vichakshana. What is the Dharma here? Is it Dharma? First of all, question has come, Dharmatattva Vichakshana, is it correct or is it Dharma? Ravano Raghavadveshad Anisam Hrudi Bhavayan. So Ravana, with Raghava Dvesha, he is with Dvesha, he is always enemy, he has developed a huge enmity to Rama. Sarvada, always Hrudi Bhavayan, in his heart, always he is thinking of Rama only. Bhrutyai sada Ramacharitam Dvesha Samyutaha, always talks about Rama to his Bhrutyas in a negative way. Rama is useless, Rama is useless, this is what he is talking. I will kill him, I will kill him, I will kill him. This only he is talking. Dvesha Srutva Ramat Svanidhanam Bhayat Sarvatra Raghavam. Or will I be killed by Rama? Will I be killed by Rama? Will I be killed by Rama? This is the thinking he is. He is always engaged in Rama's thought. Why this Dvesha? Why this enmity? Pasyan anudinam swapne ramenavanupashyati krodhopi ravanasyasu gurubodhadhiko bhavet. So this is the secret Narada is saying now. Pasyan anudinam, always without any gap, swapne, even in the dream, he is seeing Rama only. Ramame va anupashyati, always seeing Rama, always getting associated with Rama. Krodho api, even though he is having enmity towards him, Krodho api Ravanasyasu Guru Bodhadhiko Bhavet. That Krodha itself has become better than Guru Bodha. That also has become like a Guru Bodha Adhiko, Guru Bodha Adhiko Bhavet. This continuous association with Rama has become better than Guru Bodha to him. Ramena nihatas chante nirdhutasheksha kalmashaha. So being killed by, being given a death sentence by Rama and executing the death sentence Rama himself to him, Rama sayujyamevapa ravano mukta bandhanaha. So it is dharma only. Rama sayujya, only he can get Rama sayujya, nothing else. He cannot go anywhere else. For that result of that what Ravana has done, whatever he has done, he has become freed from all the bondages. Mukta bandhana, all his sins are purified. Papishtova duratma paradhana paradaryeshu sakto yadisyan nityam snehad bhayadva raghukula tilakam bhavayat samparetaha bhutva suddhantarango bhavasata janita aneka doshair vimuktaha sadyo ramasya vishnoha suravara nimitam vinutam yati vaikunthamadhyam. So, Naina, this is what it is. Even Papishtova, all the sins are there. Duratmava, Paradhana, who has stolen Paradhanas, Paradareshu, who has eyed on the other people's wives, Sakto, Yadisyan, Nityam, Snehat, either by friendliness, Snehat, Bhayadva, or by fear. Raghukula tilakam bhavayet samparetaha. Raghukula tilakam bhavayet. Emotion should be there. Without the bhava, nothing will work. Bhavayet samparetaha bhutva suddhantarango bhavasata janita. Even hundreds of lives, whatever is there, sin, it will be purified. Suddhantaranga, his antaranga will be purified. Aneka doshair vimuktaha. All these defects will be removed. Sadyo Ramasya Vishnoho, of Rama, of Vishnu, Sadyo, immediately, Suravara Vinutam Yati, even Suravara Vinutam Yati, they enter, they get there, Vaikuntham, known as Vaikuntha, Adyam, which is the beginning, or eternal, be endless. Hatva Yuddhe Dasasyam Tribhuvana Vishamam, Avamahastena chapam bhumau vishtabhyatishtan nekara taradhrutam brahmayan banamekam araktopantanetraha saradalita vapu suryakoti prakasho veerasri bandhurangaha stripada tridasapati nutaha patumam veeraramaha. So the conclusion of Narada is giving. By seeing this Rupa of Rama, what the Rupa he is being one who has caused troubles to three lokas, Ravana, having killed him, having Dhanus in one hand, arrow in the other hand, standing, keeping the arrow supported on the earth, holding another, keeping the bow supported on the earth, keeping the arrow in the other hand, and like moving that arrow round, that's what it says. Who is having that red eyes, because he is such a fierce and anger is the nature, that red eyes are still red. This Rama, this Leela Rama, whose body is wounded by the arrows of Ravana. So there are wounds on Rama's body as well. Who is seen with 1 crore sun's light. In such form, when we see Sri Veerabhirama Sevas, again with the same Sevas who are doing this 11th Sarga we have completed successfully. Getting into the 12th Sarga's subject is very simple. Vibhishana has been Pattabhisheka, Ravana Santyaka Aryas, Vibhishana's Pattabhisheka, and Sita bringing Sita and Sita entering the fire. With that, we will finish today's reading. Quickly get into 12th Sarga. श्रीमहादेव उवाच रामो विभीषणं दृष्ट्वा हनुमन्तं तथाङ्गदं लक्ष्मणं कपिराजं च जाम्बवन्तं तथा परान् परितुष्टेन मनसा सर्वेणावाक्यमब्रवीत् भवतां बहुवीर्येण निहतो रावणो यया कीर्तिस्थास्यति वः पुण्या यावश्चन्द्रादितारकौ कीर्तयिष्यन्ति भवतां कथां त्रैलोक्यपावनीम्. So now Rama is saying, looking at Vibhishana and Sugriva, these words. What he said, by your help I was able to make victory. Rama is not saying I turned out victorious. No. He says, your kirti, whose kirti? Vibhishana's kirti and Sugriva's kirti will be there. Kirthistasyati vah punya, the punya, what you have done. Yavas chandraaditarakau. As long as Chandra and Tarakas are there, like moon and stars are seen from this earth. Kirtayishyanti bhavatam tadham trailokya pavanim. So this story, this war will be narrated and kirtayishyanti. It continuously gets the great name and fame, as famously will be told about you. మయోపేతాం కలిహరాం యాస్యంతి పరమాం గతిం యతస్మిన్ అంతరే దృష్ట్వా రావణం పతితం భువి. సో దిస్ స్టోరీ అలాంగ్ విత్ మీ కిల్లింగ్ రావణ పీపుల్ విల్ టెల్. దిస్ ఈజ్ యువర్ స్టోరీ. సో he is making the winners as Vibhishana and Sugriva, who have come and helped him doing this activity. Mandodari mukhas sarva striyo ravana palita. All the women are weeping. So Bharta has gone away. Patita Ravanasya Sochanta Paryavadevatan. So he Rama instructs. So now you conduct the final rites, make aswasvayantaha, you make them pacified. All the women need to be pacified, you have to do. So he is again going into the Dharmacharana. Now what has to happen? Story is done. We have like Ravana's killing is over. Immediately next step. Next steps are doing the proper karmas going forward, what need to be done. So striyos bandodhari mukta patita vilapanticha, they are weeping and sobbing. Obviously that's what will happen there. Eva mukto dharamena lakshmano the jagat bravin. So being told this, Lakshmana moved now. Lakshmana went to Vibhishana. Vibhishana is also weeping. His brother has been killed. He's been in the trouble. మృతకోపాంతే పతితం మృతకోపమం సరే శోకేన మహతా విష్ణుం సౌమిత్రిరథమద్బ్రవీత్ యం శోచ్యసి త్వం దుఃఖేన కోయన్ తవ విభీషణ. వై ఆర్ యూ వీపింగ్? హూ ఆర్ యూ వీపింగ్ ఫర్, ఓ విభీషణ? త్వం వాస్య కతమః సృష్టే పురేతాదీనమః పరం యద్వత్తోఘౌ అఘపతితాః సికతా యాంతి తద్వశాః. బై హిజ్ ఓన్ సిన్ హీ ఫెల్. Samyujyate viyujyante tatha kalena dehinah. So attachment, detachment of these bodies will come again. Kalena, in the time it will come. Dehinah yadha dhanasu vai dhana bhavantina bhavanticha. So it will come, attachment will come, dhanas will come, all these things will come and go. Evam bhuteshu bhutani preritani tamasaya tvam cha me vayamanye cha tulya kala bhavasodbhavaha. So like the sand which is being taken away by the stream of water, some sand pieces will come together, some will go far. This will keep happening. So great example of sand being pulled away by the waters on the water stream on the top, like time which is flowing underneath this sand is also moving. Some come into closure, some go away. That will happen. So this is the teaching, or this is the asvasvayantaha. Now he is now pacifying the shoka of Vibhishana. Nanatmam janma janmascha kshayo vruddhi kriyafalam. So this differentiation, janmas, sequence of janmas, vruddhi, kriyafalam, getting all the results, all these things. Drashturabhyantaradhatma yadhagner daruvikriya. So as we put a stick into the fire will burn. So yeah, even though stick is straight, the fire will have all the movements. As the fire will have all different shapes, even though stick is straight, stick is not having those shapes, it appears as a burning fire appears in variously, which is coming from the stick or the indhana, which is not having a form or not having those forms. It demonstrates, so this karmas, this is another a great example in the Adhyatma Ramayana Lakshmana is using. So as the fire looks distinctly from the wood which is it is being burnt, in the same way the world looks distinctly different from that kriya which is the cause of these actions, which is the vasanas or kriyas or the basis of these actions, which is burning this, the burning will come differently. తస్మాన్ మాయినో ధర్మం జహాహం యమృతాత్ భ్రమం రామభద్రేతి భగవతే మనో దేహాధ్యనీశ్వరే. సో బేసికలీ హీఈస్ గివింగ్ ఫర్దర్ సర్వభూతాత్మని పరే మాయామానుష రూపిణి బాహ్యాంద్రియార్థ సంబంధ ఆత్మయుజ్యోత్యత మనస్యనై. సో బై ఇంద్రియాస్ మైండ్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ఫ్లిక్టెడ్, మైండ్ ఈజ్ గోయింగ్ టేకింగ్ తత దోషాన్ దర్శయిత్వా రామానందే నియోజయ. సో అండర్స్టాండ్ దిస్, all these distinctions what are happening, what is external knowledge which is coming, understanding this, you ramanande niyojaya, put your head, put your mind in the ananda of Rama, bliss of Rama. Ramanande niyojaya dehat buddhya bhaved bhrata pita mata suhrut priyaha vilakshanam chaya dehat janat atmanam atmanaha tadakah kasyava bandhur bhrata mata pita suhrut. Brother, mother, all the different relations, friend, enemy, all these things are coming for this body, nothing to the mind. Midhya jnana vasajnana dharagaradaya sadaha shabdadaya vishaya vividhaschaiva sampadaha balam shoko bhrutyavargo rajyam bhumis sutadaya. Balam, the power, shoko, the sadness, Bhrutyavargo, all our parivar, all our retinue, people who work for us, all this Bhrutyavargo. Rajyam bhumi sutadayaha, the Rajyam, bhumi, suta, sons, all these things are coming. Ajnanat satsare sarnakshanamam adhottishta hrudaramam bhavayan bhakti bhajavan. So get up, be the putting Rama in your heart, get up and start getting into actions. Anuraktasva rajyani bhunjan prarabdhamanvaham. Whatever prarabdha is left over, let us do. He is bringing him also. We have to do our prarabdha, continue doing our prarabdha. Bhutam bhavishyad vartamanam adhacharan viharasya yadhanyayam bhavadoshair nalapyase. So by continuing our prarabdha karmas, we are not touched, we will not be touched by anything. Ajñāpayati Ramastvam yadbhratus samparayikam tatkurushva yadhāsastram rudatischapi yoshitaha. So as Rama has given ajña, so he has given a command to do your work and make the women pacified. All the women need to be pacified and all the Ravana need to be taken to the actual work, taken to the final rites. Tyaktva sokancha mohancha ramaparsvamavave. Listening to this teaching of Lakshmana, Vibhishana became freed of his moham sokam and he virmursya buddhya dharmajño dharmartha sahitam vachaha. Then he puts another dharma samsaya. రామస్యైవాను వృత్తస్థం పార్యభాషతః సంస్మృత్య నృశంసం అనృతం క్రూరం త్యక్తధర్మవ్రతం ప్రభో. సో దిస్ ఫెలో హూ హ్యాస్ డైడ్, హీ హ్యాస్ గివెన్ అప్ ఆల్ హిస్ రైటియస్ యాక్టివిటీస్, హీ హ్యాస్ గివెన్ అప్ హిస్ ధర్మ. నాహర్హోసి వేద సంస్కర్తం, కెన్ వీ డూ వేద సంస్కార ఫర్ హిమ్. పరదారాభిమర్శినం, హూ హ్యాస్ ఐడ్ ద అదర్ పర్సన్స్ వైఫ్. పరదారాభిమర్శినం శ్రుత్వా తద్వచనం ప్రీతో రామ వచనం అబ్రవీత్. నౌ Rama has to clear this doubt. Then Rama said, this is the same words used in Valmiki also. So nobody is copying nobody. This Pidakala Veta in Ramayanam is not good. So Maranantani Vairani Nivruttrancha Prayojanam Kriyatamasya Samskaro Mamapyeshya Yadhatavaha. So Maranantani Vairani, all this hatred, all this enmity is only until the end, death. Once death is there, there is no more vaira. With that body which is falling on the earth, I don't have any enmity with it. Or that body has no enmity. Maranantani vairani. It goes away with that death itself. Kriyatamasya samskaro. It need to be taken. Samskara need to be done. Manushyeva samskaro manushyeva yathatava. You have to do. It is your duty to bhratru samskara, to do your brother's samskara. రామాజ్ఞాం శిరసాధృత్వా శీఘ్రమేణ విభీషణ స్వాంతయామాస ధర్మాత్మా ధర్మబుద్ధిర్విభీషణ త్వరయామాస ధర్మజ్ఞ సంస్కారార్థం స్వబాంధవాన్. So I wanted to read out the samskara, how it has to be done, or what it here told it is. Chityam nivesya vidhide, so putting a chiti, putting a pyre of fire, put him onto the pyre. Saha mantribhihi dadaucha pavakam tasya vidhiyuktam vibhishanaha. Put the fire onto the thing properly with the mantras. Snatva chaivardhravastrena, having taken bath with the wet clothes. Tilan darbhami misritan, so taking the tila, taking the til seeds, and darbha misritan, taking the darbha, so udakena tasammitran padaya vibhiti purvakam. So along with the vidhi, it has been given. Pradaya chodakam tasmai murdhva chainam pranamyasya, giving the water, bowing down to with his head touching the floor. Tas triyo anunamaya smatma yuktva punah punaha. So the women of him have been pacified and sent away from there. Gamyatamiti ta sarva vivishur nagaram tada. So he asked all the Rakshasa streets, all the Rakshasa women to go back to Lanka. Vibhishana performed the Ramaparsva Mupagatya Tadanishta. So having properly performed all the rites, came back to Harsham lekhe ripun hatva hruda vrutam satakratuhu Matalischa tadaramam parikramyabhivandichaha. So Matali, who has been sent by Indra, now he has taken along with Vibhishana Lakshmana, he take a parikramya, pradakshina, doing a round, and he said, I will move from here. Abhishechaja vipraiva mantrapur. Then Rama is doing this Lanka, Vibhishanaya me Lankam Rajyam Dattam Puraivahi. Previously itself I have given this Lanka to Vibhishana. He has given Lanka to Vibhishana much ahead when Vibhishana came to him. But now Idanim, now we have to take him and properly establish him as the king of Lanka. And he has to establish again order, law and order back in the Lanka. After the war, things need to be set right. So Lankam, Suvarna Sakale, so they have taken and again put the, along with the waters which have been got, the proper Vibhishana has been made as the king. Tatapraha Hanumantam Parshvastham Vinayanvitam. After that, now Rama is saying to Hanuman, Tvam Ravanalayam Janakyai Sarvamakhyahi Ravanasya Vadadhikam Janakya Prativakyam me Sigrameva Nivedaya. Now you go, tell Janaki what has happened. Ravana has been killed, Vibhishana. Then first you take permission of Vibhishana to enter Lanka. This is important. Vibhishanasyam anumate gachatvam Ravanalayam. Taking permission of Vibhishana, this is Maryada. Once a king is there, if he is an enemy of you, no permission is taken. It is Hanuman always jumped over and went and met Sita anytime. Now this Lanka is being won and ruled by Vibhishana. Now you have to enter Lanka, you have to take passport visa. Visa need to be taken. Yeah, taking the permission of this thing, you go inside, go to Sita and tell all these things. Come back and tell what Sita is telling back to me. So again messenger duty. Again he is going. Rakshasibhi parivrutam dhyayantim ramamevahi. So pravisya ravana gruham simsupa avastama. So known place for Hanuman, it is not a big thing. He took permission, he went in, he said, Rakshasibhi parivrutam dhyayantim ramamevahi vinayanavato bhutva. Having bowed down to bhutva pranamya pavanatmajaha. Having bowed down and put his namaskara, he started Krutanjali puto bhutva. Prahruyuvo bhaktya gratastitaha tam društva janakim tushnim stitva purva smrutim yayav. So Janaki is doing dhyayanti, Ramanama dhyana, she is doing her dhyana. So she looking at Hanuman, she opened her eyes. With peacefully she opened her eyes. Devi Rama Sugrivo Vibhishana Sahayavan. Devi, O Devi, Rama Sugrivo Vibhishana Sahayavan. By with the Sugriva and Vibhishana's help, Kusali Vanaranancha Sainyescha Sahalakshmanaha. Along with Lakshmana, along with Vanara, along with Seva, he is Kusala, he is doing well. This is the message he is giving. Ravanam Satanum Sasutam Hatva Sabalam Sahamantri Ravana, his sons, his mantris, his balam, whoever supported him, all have been finished, killed. Tvamaha Kusalam Ramo Rajya Krutva Vibhishanam. So then he asked, how are you? So he sent me to you. Why? Rama will not enter Epura. He is still doing Vanavasa. So he has asked about you, so I came here. Sutva bhattu priyam vakyam gharshagat gadaya gira kimte priyam karomyadya napasyami jagatriye. I don't have any better happy news than this, O Hanuman. So she is telling Hanuman. Samante priyavakyasya ratnanyabharanani cha evamuktasu vaidyeha pratyuvacha palavangamaha. But I don't have anything to give you. So whoever brings that good news, they need to be given, like it's as a custom. Some immediate gift will be given to somebody who brings such a good news. But I don't have any. So I cannot give you any. Here it says, Ratnaughaadvinidyapi devarajyadvishishyate Hatasatrum Vijayinam Ramam Pasyami Susthiram. What more I want? Rama getting his victory, Hata, his enemies have been removed. I have seen him in his happiness. That itself is, the no Ratna is equivalent of this Darsana what I had. So, Tasya Tadvajanam Srutva. Having heard this word again, Maithili Prahamarutim, Sarve Saumya Guna Saumya, Tvayaiva Parinishtita. Such great qualities, all great qualities are there in you only, O Hanuman. Have Ramam Drakshami Sighram. So I have seen, it's a personified great qualities is Hanuman. So Hanuma, that is what I can see in you. Ramam Drakshyami Sighram Mamajñapayatu Raghavaha. So I want to see Rama. So let Rama give a command. Mama Ajñapayatu Raghava. Raghava has to tell, invite me to come there. So let him ask, I will come there. I wanted to see him immediately. So you go and tell him that get his Ajna. Janakya Bhashitam Sarvam Ramasyagriya Vedayat. He comes back again. So messenger duty. And he gives exactly the same statements what has been told by her. Tan Devim Sokasantaptam Drashtumarhati Maidhilim. Sokasantaptam, she is still sad. She wanted to see you badly. Yavamukto Hanumata Ramo Jnanavatam Varaha. Rama, who is a Jnanavatam Varaha, of the Jnanas, who is, then he started talking. Mayasitam Parityaktum Janaki Manalestitam. Adatum Manasadhyatva Ramah Praha Vibhishanam. So thinking that, okay, now I have to retrieve my Sita from which I have established are in fire, and I have to put Maya Sita who is here in there, I have to exchange Sitas now. So now let me. Gacharajan Janaka Mayasu Janakajam Anayasu Mamantikam. So he asked now Vibhishana, oh Vibhishana, now you go, bring Janaki here. So he is asking king of the place to bring Janaki here. That is again a protocol. So Gacharajan Janakajamayasu Vibhishana Pitatruchva Jagama Sahamarutihi. Along with Maruti, Vibhishana went. Rakshasibhi Suruddhabhi Snapayitva to Maithilim. So Maithili has been given a bath by the old Rakshasis. Maithilim. Swarnabharana Sampanna Maropya Sibikottame. So giving best of the ornaments, ornamenting her, making her ready, like into a great sibika, they put her into the proper, like as a kingly woman, how she goes in her own pallaki. Sibikottame, great sibika, which is Yushni Kair Bahurvat Prabding, Konchukoshtivhis Subham, so great dress and all has been given to her. Or, they started bringing her. All Vanaras wanted to see her. Oh, Sita. For her only all this fight has happened. So Sita is coming. So Kolahalam Prakurvanto Vanarabhihi. So all Vanaras want to have a darsana of Sita, who is coming with this Subha Lakshanas. She was having Ekaveni Dhara, sleeping on the floor all along. Now she has taken her very auspicious Lakshmi form and she is coming. Vibhishanam, then Rama says, Drushtva tam Sibikarudam Duratadha Raghuttamaha. Oh, why she has been giving that much, like as a queen, she is being treated as a queen, not required, she can walk and come. Let Vanaras see her as Padacharayana Sayatu Janaki Mama Sannidhim. Pasyantu Vanaras sarve Maithilim Mataram Yatha. Let all the Vanaras see her like mother. Maithilim Mataram Yatha. So let her come walking. Let all the Vanaras see her. Srutva Tadrama Vachanam Sibikad Avahruhyasa. So listening to this Rama's words, Sita has been brought down from her pallaki. She started walking towards him. Padacharena Sanakaihi Ragatarama Sannidhim Ramopi Drushtva tam Maya Sitam Karyardha Nirmitam. So this Maya Sita started walking. Now, as she comes near, Avachya Vadan Bahusaha Prahattam Raghunandaha Amrushyamana Sasita Vachanam Raghuvoditam. Rama said, the words are not mentioned here. He used certain words which are hurting the sentiment of Sita. That is the only thing has been said here. Avachya Vadan Bahusaha Prahaha Tam Raghunandanaha. Raghunandana said something which is not expected by Maithili or Janaki at that stage. Amrushyamana Sasita Vachanam Raghavoditam. So Sita is free. Now you have been freed. So basically what he said is, now you have been freed, whatever you want to do, you can do. Lakshmanam Prahame Shrighram Prajvalya Hutasanam. Listening to this statement, now you are free, do whatever you want. This is not in Adhyatma Ramayana, I am taking this statement from somewhere else. Viswasardham hi Ramasya Lokanam Pratyayacha. Now Sita says, for the sake of getting Vishwasa of Rama in my association with him, always my heart is filled with him. And Lokanam Pratyayacha, for this proving to the Loka that my purity. Raghavasya Matam Jnatva Lakshmanopi Tadaivahi. She is asking Lakshmana, put a pyre, I will enter there. Mahakashta Chayam Krutva Jwalayitva Hurtasanam. Then a huge kashta has been formed, Hutasana, fire has been built. So, like a chiti, it is like what Ravana has been put in there, a similar thing has been created here. Rama Parshva Mupagamya Tasthau Tushni Marindama. Going to Rama, near Rama. Tatas Sita Parikramya. Going around Rama. Raghavam Bhakti Samyuta, with Bhakti to Rama. She is not angry with Rama. She is again with bhakti to the Rama only. Pasyatam sarvalokanam devarakshasa yoshitam. Let all the sarvalokam, everybody see this. Devarakshasa yoshitam, including deva stris, rakshasa stris also. Yoshitam. Pranamya devatabhyascha brahmanebhyascha maidili. Devatas, she put a Pranama to Devatas and Pranama to Brahmanas. Brahmanaschaiva Maithili. Sarat Badhanjali Puta, Chedam Uvacha Agni Samipaga. She went to near Agni and she said like this. Yadhame Hrodayam Nityam Napasarpati Raghavat. Not even for a second, my heart is not separated from Rama. Raghavat, yadha me, if my heart is ever filled with Rama, Raghavat, tadha lokasya sakshi mam sarvataha patu pavakaha. So lokasakshi, pavaka, the Agni is the Agni, fire is there in everybody. Agni is the sakshi, witness of this whole world. Sarvataha patu, from all sides protect me. Patupa. Eva Muktva Tada Sita Parikramya Hutasanam. She took a round pradakshina of Hutasana also, Agni, God Agni. Vivesa Jwalanam Deeptam Nirbhayena Hridaya Sati. With no fear in the heart, she entered into the fire. Drushtva tato bhutaganaha sasiddhaha sitam mahavahnigatam bhrushartaha parasparam prahuroho sasitam ramah sriyam tvam kathamatyajatgnyaha. So all the people, all the siddhas, bhutaganas, means panchabhutas, siddhas, Sitam Mahavahnigatam, Sita entering this big fire, Mahavahni, great fire. Bhusharta, she's not happy, unhappy, she's unhappy, she wanted to enter the fire, she is entering the fire. Parasparam prahuruho, they are talking in between themselves. Ho, what is this? So Sitam Ramah Sriyam Swam, knowing that Lakshmi is Sita, knowing that fact, why this Rama, Katham, how this Rama, Tyajat, or left her to do this activity. Jnaha. With that, the 12th Sarga comes to a close. Iti Srimad Adhyatma Ramayana Antargata Uma Maheshwara Sangate Yuddhakande Dwadasha Sarga. So 12th Sarga of Yuddhakanda, we come to the end. That is our intent to come till here in today's reading. So we have seen the most important, most complicated part, right from Mandodari's and Mandodari Ravana Samvada, what has happened, then Ravana's Nidhanam, what happened after that, how it has happened, as told by Bhagavan Vedavyasa on the eve of Guru Purnima, Vyasa Purnima tomorrow. May the great grace of Guru Mandala, the Gurus who are Vyasa Swarupa, Vyasa is Vishnu Rupa, Vyasa is Vishnu Swarupa, whole Guru Parampara's grace, let it shower like a nectarine shower on one and all. With that wish, Swasti Prajabhya Paripalayantam Nyayena Margena Mahimmahishaha Gobrahmanebhya Subhamastu Nityam Lokaha Samastah Sukhino Bhavanti. Swasti.